Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at a set of fully trimmed front seats for the Triumph TR4A model. So just for complete clarity, it's TR4A, also known as the TR4 IRS. These seats have been done in midnight blue leather and they are full leather, which was not really an option from the factory, maybe on some special orders. Not to be confused with heritage certificates that said leather. That refers to what we call leather faced, where just the facings, i.e. the bits that kind of touch your body as you sit in the seats, are leather, but the kind of surrounds and the back panel here would be vinyl. These are full leather, so even this back panel here, surrounds here, and the retainers, etc., everything on these is leather. The piping is leathercloth, which was the sort of standard spec for cars of this era. So customer has sent us his original seat frames. We stripped them all down and we've retrimmed them using our seat covers and obviously seat foams, diaphragms, webbings, and also the cushion tension springs, which obviously you won't be able to see, but there's a little loop sewn into the cushion retainers down here, and they have a spring that goes from left to right with some hooks on the end of it. So we've got those these days as well, often missing from the cars or corroded, so just bear that in mind. Not going to go into too much detail because I've done another video showing TR4A fully trimmed up seats, so see the description below for links there, but I just thought I'd do a very quick video just to show you these because they're a lovely colour, original colour for Triumph as well, midnight blue. I'll just show you in Bill Piggott's book here. These are some midnight blue TR4As. It's worth noting these have white piping on the inside, which was not correct for the era. It was only ever the TR3s, not the TR3As, just the TR3s that ever had white piping on the inside area. All the other cars had white only on the outside, apart from TR6, which reverted obviously to just black, same matching piping throughout. You can see on these TR5s here, the piping on the inside is black to match the main trim. So that setup there, where we've done midnight blue piping on the inside of the horseshoes, is correct for the era of originality. It's worth noting as well, obviously this is, as you're looking at them in the car, this is the right hand seat, this is the left hand seat. So if you have sat in the car, that is the correct orientation. The cushions themselves, the bases, are not handed, but the backrests are. You can see how it tapers, goes a bit of a sharper angle there and a faster angle there, and then the opposite again on these ones. That's to allow the soft top hood frame to pass by. So that is an original feature, which obviously our covers do allow for there. What else have we got to say on these? Yep, trimmed back panel here. Hardboard panel, which is part of our kit, fully trimmed up, which then get attached on. You use the kind of trim panel fixings down the left and right edges. Then they have a rather unique black clip on the top edge there, which again, often missing. I don't think you can get them in the aftermarket anymore, so they're a bit gold dust, but there are ways around that. So if yours are missing, do contact us. We can guide you through the best way of approaching that so that the board can clip on correctly. Oh yeah, and on the passenger seat, this is obviously from a right-hand drive car. So this is the passenger seat here. You have the press stud fixing on there, which is for the tonneau cover strap, so that when you're driving along you can keep half of the tonneau strapped out of the way and it doesn't blow around too much. But yeah, lovely job, as you can see. So we can supply every element of these: the seat covers, the seat foams, diaphragms, webbings, tension springs, etc. Or if you want, you can send us your frames and we can do the hard work for you. It's worth noting as well that the TR4A frames are exactly the same frames as the TR4 Lates, just to clarify in this book here. So that's a TR4 Late seat cover there. It had vertical pleats, had a sort of square back to it, again the detachable back panel. So the covers and the foams are different, but the framework is exactly the same, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, midnight blue, full leather, using our grained leather, as you can see here. Really nice job. And again, you know, just to remind you, with our YouTube channel, one of the reasons I do this is to showcase the quality of our kits. This is the results that you should be looking to achieve. So whether it's yourself trimming as an enthusiastic hobbyist, or you're taking it to a professional trimmer, these are the results that you should be looking to achieve as a basic benchmark. We don't mind if you surpass us, but this is the basics that you should be looking for. Yeah, so it's kind of a show and prove almost with our YouTube channel to show how good our kits fit. You'll notice that no other companies out there do that. So this is my way of kind of demonstrating why we are known for what we're known for in the industry, which is quality made, workmanship, etc., and have been for almost 50 years. Anyway, enough on that. Be sure to check out the description below for more details on this and where to get the parts on our website, as well as other useful links for TR4A based products. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time.